The Keltner Channel Indicator, which is provided for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and run it on the chart. Traders can also study this page to understand how the indicator works and has operated. From the Navigator section, we select the indicator file and run the indicator by dragging the file onto the chart. Just make sure to pay attention to activate the Allow DLL Imports option from the Common section, and then click the OK option. When the indicator is executed, a price channel will be drawn on the chart. For us, the way the indicator works is based on the moving average, which draws our channel's median, and it displays the price channel using a multiple of ATR. In the Settings section, options have been provided for us in the Input section. The first part relates to the Exponential Moving Average, and you can change its settings from this section, which is set to 20 by default. The settings for the ATR period, the ATR multiple that draws our price channel, the channel color settings, and the median channel color can be changed to your preferred color. The last section is the custom template of the indicator, which has 4 parts: auto, light, dark, and custom. By selecting the auto option, only the colors of the candles change, with profitable candles turning bright green and bearish candles turning bright red. After that, the indicator is executed on the chart. By selecting the light option, a light template is applied to the chart, which is the template that is placed on my chart. By selecting the dark option, a dark template is chosen, and by selecting the custom option, it retains your personalized template and only executes the indicator on the chart. Here I select the dark template and then click the confirm option. With the dark template applied, a dark theme is executed on my chart, and the color of my price channel changes. For trading using this indicator in the direction of our trend, when the price is in a bullish trend, you can enter a buy trade upon hitting the lower channel, and if we are in a bearish trend, we can enter a sell trade upon hitting the upper band. Well, friends, we have reached the end of this indicator tutorial, and we would be happy to share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.